there's one song that'll make you feel like, man, I wish I knew how to dance, is this one right here. It's Calvin Fallo coming through with Everybody Wanna Be in Love. It's coming through at 11 after 8 right here on the biggest breakfast show in Tshwane right now. It is the drive-through. Of course, we always have on a Monday our Prada. Ready Fuba.
Ke monetsa cardio ha tse.
Banna.
Banna.
Na shiana moli.
Na exercise.
Na shiana. No, utlilash.
Awa banna.
O ile
No, na ke namela. Next man. Na ke namela di test lo ka re ke Obama. Ke di joganyana.
No. I don't know jokanyana me bra. Ne go no shiana.
Na ke sa shiana.
Go I don't know ska G man. That's one day.
But all the cardio ke no squeeze in mo le mo.
Did you go around the comrades?
No, I was working. I was covering the comrades.
Would you?
As a photographer. Nah.
So you were taking pictures at the comrades?
Yeah.
Nna ne ke nya go ya mara ka dilo tse di iralang kwa
Wena go comrade
re bone winner thing
ngila wana motho a shiana comrade wa mmela
Mara.
No, but true.
No, I'm
they,
telling you, like,
they tend to be lean.
But
you need to be lean.
Yeah. When you're not built for cardio.
Now I am body shape.
No.
Why?
I don't body shame.
which
body
is
shaming.
which is weird because
Body
your
shaming.
body looks good but you're still
No, I don't shame. Mirere, when you're for strength, Ruisa go the World Olympics, very cheap.
So heavy things.
Yeah, go get it cheap kwa.
wait till nna flopo ne ke re ke aya comrade mara ka re ke bona re batho ba tsholoha
Batho ba di batho ba fetsa ba senyeditse di short.
Wa bona, ke yona
How
ntho e ke
jiga
sa
o bona
e
re mara man. Sela se thitho se da.
Le ba re motho a
so
tlhaba.
se brown
That's a brown, that's too colorful.
hello wa o juluka mo burukhu
Wa o juluka.
biang
Nanga shiyane bra. People utle ba re there was at least this year there was 2 fatalities or banna.
at least
Mo thusiana until a neela moya.
shianetse le hodimo
Shiane ka bojotsi.
ai kona
Nice.
kolo ya eli I kone my brother
No man.
Too
anyway
serious.
it's again let's get into our coffee chats man
Coffee chats on the drive-through.
Baby FM 95.0.
Our hashtag coffee chats today on an education and tech Monday has to do with something like the comrades, the activities, the sports, cross country nyana. So, so you know, there was that discussion that we had where we like, there's all these things that we used to do when we were younger, like nerata di mabolo, nerata di tini,
Di
so on.
Alice, yeah, di mabolo.
Sorry. Yeah, I was thinking marbles, guys. Right? So now we're asking the question, okay, bana ba kajeno ba busy getting phone. So what sports, like extracurricular activities did you do in your day that children aren't doing today? 0792
why hopola hula hoop
Oh my goodness.
why hopola hula hoop that deng re rutile o jaifa
Taught you some other stuff.
Dinoka.
Ho jive.
yeah o jaifa o na le bothata
Ho betha sekele.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
No, I remember but I think they still play hide and seek, ne?
Now.
Not so abu.
Yeah, una le bari ngwana ba re ke Elijah na le rala dala hide and seek a docha ya haya yoja to ta monyaka da imane Jesus
e jore le no le sa monyana
le ole monyaka le be le rajo a re tlweleng game
Yeah, it's a
o mmona bo wa mola a le tshebla ena ra nna ke thoja le ra dla
what color was
Vele
it
radlala. So what do you mean? I think for na bana these days like they don't go to the grannies and play outside anymore.
bro
Those
like
extracurricular activities.
you know what
so
I
at least the sports body
I don't know if they still do this, but it was a big thing where Dizuju. Basa Dizu.
oh yeah
But
Isho vejo.
Mara, let's be honest.
Is it worth where I go?
Because
Now,
I also na
is the
diphoofolo, guys.
facility good enough
Also
for
need
ho ka isa
diphoofolo.
ngwana
But
di-zoo?
then
I don't
I don't think that's the reason why we don't go there or we don't take them. Is that the reason?
It's one of the reasons.
Exercise.
No, the clothes
Di-zoo
are
se
the
tsa
sharp.
one.
Mara, like, good know how or whatever, and then there's nothing. You're looking at glass panels.
And o kry-e le gore
yeah,
ne ba sa expecta batho ba re, "Ho na le nno e tshabileng."
And now it's all quiet.
Yeah, well,
Le tshwantse le tsamaye le nyonyoba.
because really, go the zoo, it's the big five.
Yeah, but then back in the day, the zoo
No,
was
it
there.
was the zoo, bro.
What are you talking? Okay, what other animals were there that died?
Dinoha, they
Hona
they
le-
had weird things there.
There was that
Oh, one of the
bear,
raccoon, the what.
Remember that bear that they used to give these dog sweets in Mara glass?
It's called a bear.
I forgot the name.
Orangutan or whatever.
Hey, you're not-
Don't
No,
answer
that's a
how,
monkey.
big guy.
What?
Na-
What?
a
What?
monkey.
Yeah. Orangutan ke tswene, a se
Ah,
tswene.
man,
It's
orangutan ke lizard like.
Yeah?
Enge?
Wa bona
Oh, okay. Wait.
Ne re talka
wait.
di-after class ko
Orangutan,
sekolong.
orangutan is like a bear. Are well mo. Ya e hopola no ya molomo
Bear.
nyana so. Orangutan.
Yeah.
Orangutan, yeah.
The point.
One of the reason why that's why ke reng are in the zoo. What you don't have a wrong motushu.
Di guy, what one? O di shupa guy, di popolo tseo. This thing.
No,
You can't even debate hore ke bear or ke orangutan or ke tshwenye or ke eng because
Gross.
the guy.
O kry-e giraffe e tswile colour, o ka re ke zebra.
Kare giraffe tengile koroto.
Baby, it's small. Extra small.
Yeah, no, we missed those. Like we missed those
Yeah, man.
excursions. Say, like,
And
to
back in the
Saka.
day, we would have like nako ya ditopo or in every.
The season.
Yeah, it's a
right?
season,
No
yeah,
ka re
ditopo.
utlwana
Yeah,
dikas.
yeah. Then what I kite there where you were all running around.
Dude, remember kites?
Oh, wow.
I used to know how to make a. Do you know how to make a kite?
Yeah, we did that at school.
Raro
With the
we.
sticks.
Do you know how to make it?
Yes. Ke re ke tse ye ke tumela yes chomi.
Yeah,
Chomeng ke re thoma ka stick sele.
professionally.
We thoma ka stick sele mohare, then the one in the middle, then the ones on the sides, and then you get material, you cut it nicely, you nyaka a nice rope, nice thick rope, and then you fly the kite.
There we go.
Both
Okay.
are the marks.
Yeah.
So when you are a qualified
I'm a,
kite.
exactly. Exactly.
Kitist.
I'm a kitist.
Ke tsona di drone tsa mathomo.
And it's fun.
We're asking you, man, what sports or extracurricular activity do you miss that kids these days don't do anymore, man? Let us know, 079-217-9999. We're taking your phone calls. We're taking also your WhatsApp messages on the other side of this.
Well, kickstarting with some vehicles. Rather dikoloi, Titi.
Tata.
Well, George Russell's returned to winning ways after a series of disappointment on Sunday when he claimed a measured victory for Mercedes ahead of Red Bull's four-time champion Max Verstappen in a thrilling Austrian Grand Prix. So we are seeing people actually coming out. I don't know what's going on with Max Verstappen because he was winning it continuously, but now
I can weigh in on that. Remember, they changed the dynamics of the engineering of the cars. So now he's at a back foot because he needs to learn how to, him and his team need to learn how to make a better car for him. You know.
Gives you wings because
Yes.
Kia gives you wings.
Yeah.
right.
So-
No, my charger. No, I better go power bank.
The 28-year-old Briton, the preseason favorite for the driver's title and winner of the opening race, secured the second win of the year and the seventh for his career in a close race. So we definitely saw that one. It was amazing, taking it back to the World Cup, to the T20. Right? So this one, I can tell you, Titi, Rena, we are undisputed when it comes to the T20 World Cup. That's why Australia's win sees us into what we call the semi-finals. Kamu, India, as India also exits Dasso. So South Africa's nervous 4-wicket win over Bangladesh at Lord's earlier in the day left India needing to defeat unbeaten Group A leaders Australia in order to reach the knockout stage. So hi, Papa Ledre, Rena Randi semi-final, and I'm hoping that they actually redeem us. They win.
Yeah, listen,
Eish.
o ka re ba ka kopana le Canada.
ba e rathantsha.
Ba ipshatsa.
mole ba re ba ikhuditse ba re ba ya kwa mole ba re ba ikhuditse ba re ba ya red being re kopane le Canada.
ba re fe bona hape
Hape,
hape.
hape.
O ka re ba ka no ira friendly ya rugby.
Yeah. If you ask yourself why TT is actually worried on angry at Canada, Stefan, who's a Canadian player, scored at stoppage time as they fired Canada to a 1-0 win over South Africa on Sunday in the first match of the World Cup knockout rounds as the co-hosts advanced to the last 16 for the first time in their history.
Also, have you noticed they put us in the opening games, like the
Yeah.
opening match of the World Cup, the
We
opening
were,
match
we
of
were
the
in
round of
the,
32.
we were in the opening group.
No, I get an ew. But then also now we're playing with the host first time, even in the round of 30, the host
Yeah, but
again.
that's what happens when you're in the group.
Ay,
You're in group A. That's what
run the
happens.
world.
Now snore ba ka re bya go groupung e
one
nngwe.
tshwara.
Ow,
Thank you,
wow.
Amos.
Ke mang?
Ke
Amos,
mang ya
bjang?
khethileng group.
Ya
That's Rick James. You better have some respect for Rick James.
Rick James.
Mobius
It
Sports.
does look weird.
Guys, Askies Mobius Sports coming through at exactly 9:30. Good morning.
The drive-through, 7 a.m.